Welcome to this tutorial on adding header and footer code in WordPress in just 5 minutes. In this guide, you will learn how to sign into your WordPress account, navigate to the site editor, and insert your custom code into the header and footer sections of your website. To begin, open your web browser and go to WordPress. Once you have reached the WordPress website, look toward the top right corner of the page where you will find a login option. Clicking on this login link allows you to access your account and manage your site. This step is essential because it opens the door to making valuable changes to your website structure. After clicking the login link, the next step is to use the login option that allows you to sign in through your Google account. Choose the option labeled Continue with Google. If you are already signed in on your browser, you might be prompted automatically to select the relevant account, but if not, take a moment to sign in with the specific Google account you use for WordPress. This method streamlines the login process by using your familiar Google credentials. Once you have successfully logged in, the next part of the process is to find the quick links section on your WordPress dashboard. In this section, you will see an option to edit site. Clicking Edit Site brings you into the WordPress site editor interface, where you can make changes to the appearance and functionality of your website. This step is crucial as it transitions you into the area of your account where you can edit code directly. After entering the site editor, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here you will see a group of 3 dots which represents additional settings for the editor. Clicking these 3 dots will reveal a menu of extra options. These options are designed to provide greater control over your site's settings and help to customize the editing experience. Once you have accessed this menu, you are ready to continue with the next important step. Within the menu that appears after clicking the 3 dots, locate and click the option labeled Code Editor. When you switch to the Code Editor, you are given a clear view of the code that generates your site, making it possible to insert custom modifications with confidence. This mode is particularly useful because it offers a direct interface to edit specific parts of your website's layout and functionality without interference from the visual design tools. Now that you have the code editor open, the final task is to paste your code into the designated header and footer sections. Locate where the header section is defined in the code and enter your custom header code. Then scroll to the footer section and do the same with your custom footer code. This careful placement ensures that your code is implemented correctly, affecting the part of your website you intend to modify. By following these instructions, you have learned how to access your WordPress account, navigate to site editing through quick links, use the 3 dots menu to access additional settings, switch over to the code editor, and finally paste your code into both the header and footer sections. Completing these steps will effectively integrate your custom code, ensuring a seamless update to your website.